What's up internet, Steamy Coins here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to my videos. I try to put out a video every day. It's talking about the cryptocurrency markets and what's going on. Alright, so what you're seeing on the screen is the ranking for the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin in first place as always. Bitcoin has crossed the 6,000 psychological resistance. Right now it's at 6,300, and it's passing a major it's going up to a major resistance at about 6,400. So looking very bullish. Yeah, market's looking good. The altcoins are usually led by Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up first, and Bitcoin starts trading sideways, then the altcoins start going up. Alright, so looking good. So what I'm basically doing, I'm just holding some cash and waiting for Bitcoin to either slow down, or if it takes a little too long, I might just buy into some of the altcoins, just bypass Bitcoin for now, and then just do some trades back and forth to gain more Bitcoin. So we'll see how that goes. But looking at the Bitcoin USD chart right here, you can see Bitcoin just broke past that psychological resistance level of 6,000, and there is another resistance level right here at 6,400 approximately, right there. So it's moving to that level right now, so it's definitely under the trajectory to, you know, smash through that. So whenever you see it going up this hard and this fast, it's always a good idea to, you know, look for a pullback. So jumping in right now is a bit risky, but that also depends on your timeline, how long you plan to hold. So if you are buying into the cryptocurrency space and you plan to hold cryptocurrency indefinitely, I think this is a good time to buy in. If you intend to trade in the short term, and it also depends on how short a term you're thinking. If you intend to trade, I would wait till it pulls back and starts going sideways a little, or at least dips down a little, just like what you have right here. See, it goes up, and then sellers came in, brought it back down, went sideways a little bit, then started to go up again. A little bit of a sell-off, and it's going up again. But this time it seems to be pretty aggressive. So the thing with Bitcoin though, it can go parabolic very quickly. So for those of you who were watching the market in 2017, know this very well. You know, it will go up very fast and very aggressively. So it's hard for anyone to say when's a good time to buy in or not. Me, I have a little bit of cash that I'm gonna buy in on. I'm just trying to figure out when exactly I want to do that. So Bitcoin is getting more popular again. The masses are hearing more of it in the news and on in movies, in shows. So you know the popularity is coming back. The thing about that is, whenever Bitcoin starts to go mainstream again, you can look for some extreme price movements. Alright, so you know, when average people are talking about it, people who don't actually research cryptocurrencies are hearing about it, that's a buy signal. That's a good signal that, you know, things are going to start taking off again. So yeah, so that's just my thoughts on it. I'm really hoping it doesn't go parabolic so quickly. I want to see it maybe smash this resistance line here, go sideways a little bit, just take its time and go up, just build a nice solid foundation, and maybe even build a nice resistance level, because so far there is no resistance. The last real resistance was about at this level right here, where you see the candles touch the line. Hold on, let me activate that again. Yeah, right here, where you see those candles touching the line a couple times. 1, 2, 3 touches, 4 touches actually. So that's the last support. So the last support is all the way back at 4,900. I would love to see us form another support like at around here, 5,600. You know, so it goes up, touches that once, maybe twice, and then continues to climb. That's healthy. This is starting to look a little bit unhealthy, but as you might know, if you've been in the space for a while, Bitcoin can go parabolic. So it really depends on the masses, because most of the people that are buying Bitcoin right now are the more experienced people and people who have been hodling the coins for a long time, you know, and understand the technology on a deep enough level to realize that this is something that will have to become more popular. There's no way around it. There is no technology, no breakout technology that has ever become less useful over time. Like, you know, no one can ever name any type of new technology that just came and went away. So and Bitcoin is definitely a piece of technology that solves a lot of the world's problems. Can't even get into all of that right now, but a lot of problems it solves. So anyway, so yeah, market's looking good, very bullish. If you hold any type of cryptocurrency, you are getting richer. All right, and time will tell us how true those words are. Right now we are experiencing the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind, and the mainstream people don't know about it yet. Only the ones that actually go out and research this information. Alright, so yeah, anyway, so that's my little rant on what's going on right now. So let me just get that off the screen. Alright, yeah, so just gonna go through some of my daily earnings. Let's see, Tron Bank. Yeah, they're supposed to launch a contract. Yeah, so their new contract TRXS, that's coming out. I don't think I'm gonna jump in. I think I'm just gonna keep collecting the dividends from my from what I own on this platform. So I have a couple TNT tokens right here. They paid me 184 BitTorrent tokens, and to be honest, I have no idea where this BitTorrent is coming from, but I keep seeing that they have a div pool of BitTorrent tokens, and they pay me BitTorrent tokens every day, so you know, I'll take it. And a little tiny bit of Tron. This is actually the most Tron I've ever gotten from them at one point, but yeah, tiny bit of Tron, some BitTorrent tokens. Let me get that, sign that transaction. Alright, so that's off to my wallet. Alright, so what do we have next? P3T. P3T, still a good investment. The token has not been going up. It's been holding a stable price, which sometimes can be actually better than going up. But yeah, they have another dApp on their platform, Flat Earth Crypto. Check that out. I'm not investing in that. That type of game is usually more for whales. I am invested in this one up. So, you know, whenever someone invests in one up, 2% goes towards the P3T holders. So if you hold this coin, a little bit of percentage goes to that. So that's how that earns money. Let's go to one up. So my one up holdings, 756 Tron invested so far. And for the day I've earned 11 Tron. Every day the percentage goes up as long as there's no withdrawal. Alright, so now I'm up to 1.44% daily. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is just reinvest and sign that transaction. And I honestly think this is the best ROI on the platform right now. It's gonna last a long time. I think it's gonna last 2 years, but we'll see. Alright, so on to this now, Magic Dice. This is a casino on the Steam blockchain. Let me just grab that. Just 5 cents of Steam. Dividends have been slowing down on this for me, but it's gonna pick back up soon. So all casinos kind of go through this. They make a lot of money, then it tapers off a bit, goes down, comes back. So yeah, that's on its way to my wallet. There's Epic Dice. This is another game on the Steam blockchain, another casino. Okay, so they're under maintenance. So let's come back to that another time. Where's my smart Steam? Alright, so this is smart Steam. So what this does, this sells cryptocurrency. This sells upvotes using my Steam account. Alright, so you know, whenever you upvote a piece of content, the content creator earns some money from that upvote based on the amount of Steam power you have in your wallet. Alright, and you also earn a percentage of that also. So this is what I earned within the last 24 hours. Just 0.1 Steam. But yeah, so just to give you a quick piece of history, last year around this time, one Steam was worth about $8 US. So that kind of just gives you a perspective as to where we're going. And you know, we're expected to pass that level this year. So you know, this is not too bad of a earning for something that's just automated. Alright, so send that off to my Steam wallet. And there's also the SBD. I believe that went up to about $14 for one coin. I don't know if that's 100% accurate, but it's around that amount. Could check it out, but you guys can do that research also. Alright, so this earning this daily is very profitable. Yeah, so that's off to my wallet. Alright, let's check out Poketron now. Poketron, a little bit frustrated with Poketron because they take so long to pay out these dividends. You have to finish the round first. And it's frustrating a lot of other people in the community. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen with this. Just gotta, I guess, hold on. But yeah, once this round completes, once this reaches 100%, then I get the payout, and then you know, it starts all over again. So still a very good casino though, actually an excellent casino. It's really focused on the gamblers instead of people just coming to mine the coin and collect dividends. Alright, so I guess that's the reason why they're not paying out as quickly as possible. I don't know, but I'm kind of hoping that changes. I was in the Telegram, a lot of people complaining about that very same thing. So you know, hopefully the developers decide to change that and start paying out those divs, because the rounds are gonna go by faster once you start paying out the divs. Maybe at 24 hours, even 48 hours, or even 72 hours. You know, something, because you'll be able to get that payout and use it to mine more tokens. So mining would actually speed up. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on the matter. But if you're interested in playing video poker and blackjack, yeah, you can click on the link in the description. Poketron, it's very profitable. You can make a lot of money in this. One day I made, I believe it was over 3,000. I don't know the exact number. I wonder if this has a like a history pay. No, it doesn't. You know, to play. Alright, but yeah, if it actually showed. Wait, does that say exchange? It's on KiwiDex? Hold on. I didn't know this. 1 second here. Hold on. So, hold on. What is the token called again? Excuse me, guys. The token is called PKT, right? So PKT, no PKT. That's weird. Oh, and they're advertising on Okay, so they're advertising on KiwiDex. I guess they come to some kind of agreement or something. Anyway, we'll get back to that later. So it looks like they're gonna be available. The tokens are gonna be for sale on KiwiDex soon. But yeah, that's Poketron. Anyway, very good casino. They're putting out some really solid games that attract people that actually like to, gamble online. So, that's what's happening with that. Moving on, CC Bank. They have some ROI contracts. I think they got this one all wrong though. I think they got it all wrong. So the less Tron or tokens you have to invest is a smaller percentage you get out of the daily ROI contract, and I think that's the wrong way to go about it. I think it should be opposite. The more you have, the less percentage you earn daily. That just gives the smaller guys a chance to actually ROI. Because if you think about how percentages work, if you put in a larger amount and you're getting a larger percent, the small guy is gonna lose all the time, all day long. You can only win if you invest a lot. So it doesn't really make sense for longevity. And you need to actually satisfy the smaller clients, to stay around for a while. Alright, so yeah, CC Bank. So yeah, I earned 176 CCB tokens. I'm just gonna leave that there. Not much going on here. The TRX fund, this was a failure. This one failed. So I invested 1,000 Tron, and I only walked away with 676 Tron. So that was a loss, and I was making 8% a day. But the thing is, there were whales in this contract that were getting 12% a day, and they invested larger amounts and getting 12% a day. There's no way I would ever be able to compete with that, drawing from the same pot. Just whatever. Anyways, and I was there on the first day. I was there on the very first day, and I wasn't able to ROI. So yeah, whatever. That model doesn't work. Right? And my fault anyway. I really should have thought about the math before I invested. I guess that's all part of the game. You gotta see if it's worth it for you to invest. Alright, so Tron Wow. The div slowed down a bit yesterday. Yeah, and it's a little bit down today too. So, but still very profitable, 3.6%. Probably a little more than halfway through, so this might get to 6 or 7% for the day. Not bad. I'm looking for it to get back to its 9 and 10% daily. But yeah, everything goes through a pullback. But this is, I still think this is the best casino on the blockchain right now. Definitely. Yeah, I think it's still paying the most too. I'm not sure. It might be Trontopia, but I'm sure Trontopia is just a temporary thing. Anyway, so on to where I am making the most money right now. To me, this is what I am doing mostly, trading. I'm going back to my roots, doing what I am best at, which is trading. Alright, so IGG Gold. IGG Gold is building a platform to decentralize the the esports gaming community. Alright, so they're working on that platform. This is the easy trade. They've been bouncing around on this support line. Let's see, the support would be about, yep, definitely about here. Just draw a line. Yeah, so the support is around here. So he touches that line multiple times. And you can't even say a support is here also. Well, no, that this would be the support. Alright, so bouncing around there. Easy trading. So you can set a line here also, and just scalp the market between these two supports and resistance. So you can just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, and just keep doing that. So this is one of those plays that this is gonna pop. This is gonna go up big time once they get that platform out and start getting more and more players involved. All right, they just got a competition going with Fortnite. All right, 100 million USD in that tournament. All right, and yeah, so they're gonna definitely start going up really soon. So I have a decent amount of this token. Let's see how much I have. Let's go back here. IGG. I have 89,233, and I actually have more than that. I have 84 plus 89, so that's about what? Yeah, about 170,000, over 170,000. Yeah, actually, yeah, way over, probably 180,000 of these IGG tokens. And I just still want more. I just want a ton of this, because this is gonna make a lot of Tron very soon, and then that same Tron is gonna make me a lot of Bitcoin very soon. So really excited about this. Another one I'm very excited about, extremely excited about, and not just me. This is gonna be either as big or just as big as IGG. BitTorrent token. BitTorrent token. Yeah, this is gonna be huge. This already has a user base of 100 million users, and that was before it had a cryptocurrency. And this coin is dirt cheap. It is so cheap right now. Look at that. This is the easiest play. This is probably the easiest play in all of cryptocurrencies right now, the BitTorrent token. Alright, so this, with the BitTorrent now, people are going to be contributing to this network even if they don't care about cryptocurrencies. So it's that big. It has a worldwide following already, even before a coin was developed for it. And it's dirt cheap. No one's paying attention to this right now. So this is a huge opportunity. So I'm really looking for, and on top of that, when they get their platform ready, which I believe they said is going to be by summer, when that's ready, I'm going to be using that platform to earn even more BitTorrent token. Alright, but for now I'm just trading for more. And man, when this starts to go up, it's going to be so sweet. It's going to be so sweet. But yeah, looking forward to that. So I have a sell order at the 28,524 Sun level. So it's around 28, yeah, so about here I'm gonna sell, and then when it dips down again, just collect some more. Yeah, so that's about it. Also, just want to check on this here, my passive trades. Let me just log in and show you guys what's going on with that. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm back. So I just logged in. I invested only $5 in this. You pay them with Bitcoin, they trade for you, and they basically trade and pay you back in your USD value. They don't actually give you the Bitcoin value back. But so when you invest with this company, just think about you just giving them money, they trade with it, and then they pay you back, and it expires after 125%. So you make your money, you make your initial investment back, plus you get a profit of 25%. Alright, so once that's done, you can just take that, buy more, and just compound from there. I only have $5 in so far, because I just put it in because I wanted to check out the company, make sure they're legit. And yeah, it's a legitimate company. They're based in England. They're registered with Company House. Yeah, so I did the whole research, and it's all legitimate. But I encourage you to do your own research if you do decide to get in on this. But for me, I am going to be pouring some more Bitcoin into this, because nothing wrong with just having your Bitcoin out there just working for you. Have a group of people trading it back and forth for you, giving you 1% every day, and it's a solid 1%. Alright, so it's not, even if they make 5-10% off of the move, they're paying you 1%, and I don't mind that. You ROI, you make your money back in 1%. You make your money back in 100 days. You make 100% back in 100 days. All right, and then during that time you can just compound that. So nothing wrong with that, and that's easy money. So I'm probably gonna just put 100 US in this and just let it run. Yeah, just keep compounding it, and maybe come back to it in a year or a half or 2 years, whatever. And yeah, so you guys can check this out. The links in the description to all these dApps. I'm really encouraging people to jump into this one though, my passive trades, because it's the risk is very low. It's very low for this, so I'd encourage people to jump into this. But just a note, this is not financial advice. This is just my suggestions. This is just what I am doing. So I'm mostly documenting my cryptocurrency journey. Alright, so do your own research. Alright, I can only recommend these things to you and just show you what I'm doing, but I'm not advising you as to what to do. Alright, so anyway guys, links to all these dApps in the description. If you find any of these interesting, I'd really appreciate it if you would click on my link, support the channel. Alright, anyway guys, thanks for my CC Bank, I gotta do my check-in, or my tokens. Yeah, anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.